Alright, what's up guys? So I removed my muffler today. So now this pipe is very loose. So what I want to do is build a hanger. But I didn't have a hanger and they don't sell like old school hangers anymore. So I found this. See this? That would fit in that bushing really well. So my plan let's see if I can get this out of here. Yeah. So now this is a steel hanger, right? So my idea is to get it through here and then weld it to my pipe to make a hanger. And that'll work but beautifully. So let's go ahead and clean it off. Cool, and we need to ground it. So I need a good ground on this pipe. I'm gonna do it to the end. You can't see it on camera, but I'm just gonna clamp it on the end here. So I'm grounding that. We need a good ground, so that's why I clean the metal. And now I got my little welder here. A mess. Let's see, I'm gonna set my settings kinda hot. There we go. Let's give her a go. Alright, we got a tap. Now I'm gonna get my gloves on and finish it off. So, we got alright penetration, but I think I still want to turn up the voltage. Let's weld it! Kind of a tall lift for me too. Alright, I'm going to go to the other side. Move this out of the way. This is sweet because this hanger is going to be free, basically. So.